Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. In this video I am going to solve second problem from the textbook. As you know that second problem of Anubha and Kajal. In last video we have solved the method under fixed capital method, and in this video we will see how to prepare fluctuating capital method. Just see here what he is saying. Prepare partners capital account assuming that the capital accounts are fluctuating. Fluctuating means it changes year to year. Means here we can understand this problem is asking on the fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method we have to prepare two accounts. One is that partners capital account, another is that partners current account. But in fluctuating capital method we have to prepare only one account, that is called as a partners capital account. Let us see. Pause my video and first you have to read total question. After reading question, just I am going to solve. See, Anubha and Kajal are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Who are the partners? One is that Anubha, another is that Kajal. Both are the partners. So see here format particulars dash dash. So I have to write their names. Who are the partners? Anubha and Kajal. Therefore I write the names of the partners, Anubha and Kajal. And here also we have to write their names, Anubha and Kajal. Just see, we know that two partners are there, so I have drawn the two columns of partners. Next, what it is saying? Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They are sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Next, their capital were rupees 90,000 and rupees 60,000. As we know that it is given two amounts and 90,000 and 60,000. We have to see whose amount is 90,000 and whose amount is 60,000. Here Anubha, the first name is given, her amount is 90,000 and Kajal's second name is given, therefore second amount 60,000 is related to Kajal. Okay, is it clear? Right. Next we have to take the capital amounts. How we will take capital amounts? In the partners capital account we take this capital as balance brought down, right? In fixed capital method we prepare a separate account, partners capital account. In that account we take the partners capital amount, but in this method under fluctuating capital method we take all amounts in one account only, that is called as partner capital account. Therefore we are now taking the partners capital, we have to take as balance brought down, 90,000 Anubha's account and 60,000 in the Kajal's account as balance brought down. Read continue. The profit during the year were 45,000. They earned profit 45,000, means total company's profit or total business profit is 45,000. It won't relates to any one partner, or any one partner can't take total profit as 45,000. Therefore we have to distribute. How we should distribute? Like profit sharing ratio as 2:1, means 2:1 means 2/3 and 1/3. See here profit and loss appropriation account as 45,000 into 2/3. You may ask how we have taken as 3. In the problem there is no mention 3. Therefore 3 means 2 plus 1 total profit. We have to divide it into 3 parts. Then 2 parts or 2 portions should be given to Anubha and 1 portion is to be given to Kajal. Therefore that is called as 2/3 and 1/3. If in the problem it is given 3:2, then the ratio will be 3/5 and 2/5. How 5 came? then see here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Do you understand? Okay. Next, right, 45,000 into 2 by 3. Just here ratio also given 2:1. Whose 2 and whose 1? See here name Anubha is given first, therefore the ratio of first ratio should be related to the Anubha and second one ratio is related to Kajal. Therefore 45,000 into 2 by 3 goes in the Anubha's account as 30,000 and next 45,000 into 1 by 3 goes in the Kajal's account. Right. Next, according to partnership deed, both partners are allowed salary. We have to give salary to both partners. Means how much salary we have to give? Rupees 700 per month. Concentrate this entry, per month to Anubha, means we are giving salary, then we have to take as salary. How much salary we are giving? 700 per month. Per month means when it is mentioned in the problem as per month, then we have to calculate for 12 months. If it is given as per year or annually or yearly, then we have to take direct amount, but it is saying that 700 per month, therefore we take 700 into 12. How much salary? 8,400. In whose account? Anubha's account. Then again and rupees 500 per month to Kajal. 500 per month to Kajal. 500 into 12. In the last problem we saw that both will get 1,000 per month. So we have calculated 1,000 into 12 and we have written in both account 12,000, 12,000. But here both salary is different. Anubha's salary 700 and Kajal's salary 500. Therefore we have to calculate separately. And Kajal's salary 6,000. Right. Next, what it is saying? Interest allowed on capital 5%. Interest on capital. How much interest on capital? 5%. See here 5% interest on capital means Anubha's capital 90,000. Before that we have to take interest on capital. Anubha's capital 90,000. 90,000 into 5 divided by 100. Therefore interest on capital 4,500 of Anubha. And next 60,000 into 5 by 100, because interest on capital, whose capital how much? 90,000 Anubha's and 60,000 Kajal's. Therefore we calculate separately 90,000 into 5 by 100 and 60,000 into 5 by 100, 3,000 for Kajal. Right. Next, what it is saying? The drawings at the end of the period were rupees 8,500 for Anubha, means they have used some amount for personal. Which amount is used for the personal? That amount is called as drawings. See, Anubha has withdrawn drawings 8,500 and next see here and rupees 6,500 for Kajal. Kajal also withdrawn the amount as 6,500. Therefore we have to take that entry also. Next, interest is to be charged at 5% per annum on drawings. He is saying that interest is to be charged on drawings. See how much their drawings? We have to calculate 5% interest. See how to calculate interest on drawings? 8,500 into 5 by 100. Whose 8,500? Anubha has withdrawn 8,500. So we have to charge 5% interest. 8,500 into 5 divided by 100 is 425. And Kajal's 6,500 into 5 by 100, 325. 325. See here. Next, we have taken all the entries. We have taken capital amount as balance brought down, and next we have distributed profit as profit sharing ratio, and we have allowed salary 700 per month to Anubha and 500 per month to Kajal, we have allowed that also, and next interest allowed on capital, interest on capital also we have allowed at 5%. Next and drawings we have taken that drawings, and next interest on drawings also we have taken, means we have taken the all entries which is given in the problem. After the completing the all entries, we have to calculate. How we have to calculate? See here, credit side is more amount, therefore we have to make total first credit side. Just how much total? 1,32,900. Afterwards, this total amount should be written in same Anubha's column as 1,32,900, and afterwards in this amount these amounts should be deduct, means we have to minus. Just see, after deducting the answer will be 1,23,975. It is called as balance carried on, right? Means before starting the business Anubha has introduced 90,000. After 1 year her capital is 1,23,975, right? Now we will see how much capital is available of Kajal. First we have to make total credit side. Just see, total 84,000. In 84,000 we have to deduct these amounts 6,500 and 325. After deducting that amount, answer will be 77,175. So these amount are their capital after completing 1 year. Before their capital were 90,000 and 60,000. After 1 year their capital 1,23,975 and 77,175, means this is called as a fluctuating. Fluctuate means changes, means last year their capital 90 and 60,000, here 1,23,000 and 77,175, means here their capital fluctuates, changes year to year. Therefore, it is called as fluctuating capital method. I hope you can understand this problem. If you have any doubts, you may ask in comment section, or you can mail me, or you may WhatsApp me. If you have any suggestion to improve online classes, please mention your guidance in comment section. Thank you.